guys, so today I'm just doing a really quick 5-minute makeup look featuring the Creme Shop. I got these little cushion makeups from them. I found them at CVS a couple weeks ago, and so I've been testing them out, and I wanted to show you guys how I use them. It's like super fast. My lips are stained from a lip stain, so don't mind that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my concealer. This is the Sephora Bright Future, and I'm not wearing any foundation. I've only put some of my Pacifica, they're like coconut probiotic. I think I just got my concealer on my sweater. Lotion on. Sorry, my mind is like a million directions right now. Anyway, so I'm just gonna tap this concealer on. I'm actually going to do my brows first. I'm gonna use that Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel. This one is a little bit dark for me, so don't at me. I'm just gonna lightly brush this through my brows. Anyway, okay, so next I'm going to take the highlighter by the Creme Shop. It's called, I think it's the Creme Shop. It's called Ready Set Glow, and this is Gold Glow. I really like this highlighter. I was kind of surprised. It doesn't really have a lot of pigment. It's mostly just like a metallic dew. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but it's really beautiful. It's just really natural, and it does not look like there's like a huge stripe of highlight on your face when you use it. And they do have a mirror in the top of the compact, and it also comes with this little like sponge that you can tuck your fingers into, and then you flip open the cushion and just kind of like press into it and then tap the product on. I tried this with a beauty blender and with this little sponge, and I actually like it better with the sponge they provide. I feel like it applies the highlighter a little bit more evenly, and especially if I'm putting it over foundation or over my bronzer or whatever, it doesn't pull up the product underneath if you use the little sponge that it comes with. I'm just really gonna build this up. Of course, if you're like trying to get out the door, you're not gonna spend your time building it up like this, but it's super buildable, super beautiful. I love this highlighter. I really want to get it in the other colors. It comes in like a pink and a rose gold, and I didn't get those because I was scared they would be too dark on me, but since it's not like, there's no real pigment to it like a powder shadow, it's mostly just the shine, I think it would be okay. Next I'm going to use the Creme Shop bronzer. It's super cute. It's got this little toast on it. This one is just called Toasty. It's the lighter shades. I forget how many they had. I think it was 2 or 3. This one, the little sponge is a little bit smaller, which actually is nice because it helps you control the product. And then it looks super scary and dark, but it's really not that bad to use. And I'm just gonna kind of start bronzing my face a little bit. This bronzer is definitely not like cool tone or like something you could even contour with. It's definitely a warm, like it's warm. But I actually really like the tone of it once it gets blended out and you add all of your like blush and stuff. It's pretty, I don't know, just like a nice sun-kissed look. Of course, I can't speak to the other shades, like how they would look on other skin tones. The Creme Shop, I'm so sorry, is a Korean brand that I guess they started carrying at CVS. But CVS has been really like upping their stuff. They have, at least at the one near me, a bunch of like cool products, like different brands other than the standard drugstore brands. Okay, the last one I'm going to use from the Creme Shop is their blush. It's called Très Chic. Actually, Très Chic. Cheek, not chic. I'm so sorry. And this is C'est La Peach. I got this because I thought that it would be the like lightest of the shades, because if you look at this little guy, his little cheeks are like pretty light, but just wait for it. What? I was so horrified when I first saw that. I was like, I'm gonna look like a clown. That's it. I'm done. But it's not as bad as you would think. It's not like, it's pretty pigmented, but it's not like overwhelmingly so. I'm just gonna slowly start building this up, and they do have some other colors for this one as well. I really want to try the other ones and see if they're as like whoa as this. So I use that, if you can see that little spot right there, right there, that's where I put the product, and then I'm flipping it over to the clean side, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And because it's like an orange shade, I don't feel like I have to really be wearing a lot of foundation, because oranges help to counteract my redness. Now that's not like a color theory thing, it's just like, instead of looking like a red buffoon, I kind of just look like sun-kissed with orange. Like, it's not counteracting the red, it's just like making it look less crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah, this stuff you kind of do have to be careful with. It's definitely not like a Glossier cloud paint by any means, where it's kind of like foolproof. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna use Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the Glossier Lash Slick. That's the end of this video. Just a really quick review on these. I really do like them. I think that they work really well. They make getting ready really fast. I would say out of the three, the highlighter is definitely my favorite. They're kind of pricey. They are like $20 a piece. So I personally think it's worth it. I mean, they're really pigmented. They're gonna last a while. And they're actually really beautiful and easy to use, so I feel like it's worth my money, and I would try to not recommend something that's not worth your money either. So it's going to be really up to you if you like compacts, that kind of thing. Like, they are bulky, but again, it's a personal choice. The only thing I will say is so far the packaging on the highlighter and the bronzer have been fine, but this one will kind of like open on its own. Like, I don't have to press this little divot, it'll just kind of like pop open sometimes if it like has pressure applied to it. So that kind of sucks, but I'm not really taking it on the go, so for me it doesn't really matter. But just something I wanted to point it out. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to someone out there, and I'll see you in a video super soon. Bye!